In this video, I will show you how you can find all the display settings of your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and you will find the option of Display. Now just tap on it. Now over here, you can find all the display settings of your Samsung tablet, like the option to enable or disable dark mode. Now under dark mode, you have the option of more dark mode settings, from where you can customize your dark mode even more. As you can see over here, you can find the brightness slider, the option to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Now if the screen of your tablet supports high refresh rate, you can change it from here. And also you can change the font and the font style. You can increase or decrease the screen timeout duration. You can enable or disable taskbar, the edge panel, and all the other display settings. And this is how you can find all the display settings of your Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.